You just need to practice speaking English. Hi, I'm Jikos. Today I'm studying English essential grammar in use. Today's lesson is Unit 35. Do this, don't do that. Let's do this. First of all, I'm watching text and listening. And second time, no watching, just only listening. And I'll try repeating. Okay, here we go.
Come here and look at this.
What is it?
Okay,
I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
okay,
I'm not ready yet. Please wait for me.
okay,
Please be quiet. I'm working.
okay.
Bye. Have a good holiday. Have a nice time. Have a good flight. Have fun.
Okay,
Have a chocolate.
Oh, thanks.
okay, let's try repeating.
Come here and look at this.
What is it?
Come here and look at this. What's this?
I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
I'm not ready yet. Please wait for me.
I'm not ready yet. Please for me.
Please be quiet. I'm working.
Please be quiet. I'm working.
Bye. Have a good holiday.
Bye. Have a good holiday.
Have a nice time.
Have a nice time.
Have a good flight.
Have a good flight.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Have a chocolate.
Oh, thanks.
Have a chocolate. Oh, thanks. Next.
Be careful. Don't fall.
Okay.
Please don't go. Stay here with me.
Okay.
Be here on time. Don't be late.
Okay, let's repeating.
Be careful. Don't fall.
Be careful. Don't fall.
Please don't go. Stay here with me.
Please don't go. Stay. わかんない。Stay here with me. Please don't go. Stay here with me. はい。
Be here on time. Don't be late.
Be here on time. Don't be late. Okay. Next.
It's a nice day. Let's go out.
Okay.
Come on, let's dance.
Okay.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Okay.
Let's have fish for dinner tonight.
Okay.
Shall we go out tonight?
No, I'm tired. Let's stay at home.
Okay.
It's cold. Let's not go out. Let's stay at home.
Okay.
Let's not have fish for dinner tonight. Let's have chicken.
Okay. Let's repeating.
It's a nice day. Let's go out.
It's a nice day. Let's go out.
Come on, let's dance.
Come on. Let's dance.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's have fish for dinner tonight.
Let's have fish for dinner tonight.
Shall we go out tonight?
No, I'm tired. Let's stay at home.
Shall we go out tonight? No, I'm tired. Let's stay at home.
It's cold. Let's not go out.
It's
Let's
cold.
stay at home.
It's cold. Let's not go out. Let's stay at home.
Let's not have fish for dinner tonight. Let's have chicken.
Let's not have fish for dinner tonight. Let's have Let's have chicken. Let's have chicken でいいの for dinner? Let's have chicken でlet's have chicken はい、okay, I've just finished today's lesson. I'll study next day. Okay. See you. Bye.